All right, my beautiful people. So this is a quick little update about using the eyeshadow from e.l.f. I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely a go. I got so many compliments today at work. So quick and easy. Definitely highly suggest this. What you see on my lips is actually gonna be the plumper. This one is actually nice. It's not bad. This is the only thing I did retouch right now, and it's been a couple hours already, even with my mask. So it didn't perform bad. Obviously, the only thing I would say, my foundation, obviously with the primer, kind of a little bit just on my nose, but you know what? I let that go as a little pass. This primer, a lot of people say it is kind of like the Milk. I never tried the Milk one, but I will be honest, I did like it. I feel like it's really holding up my foundation really well, which I definitely love. And this is within the mask after like, what, 7 hours. So it's actually been doing pretty good. But I would suggest or would advise, it is going to be a little bit sticky. It kind of reminded me at first like a hair gel. But honestly, when you apply it, then it sets and you are, honestly, you're fine. You put your foundation and you are good. Okay, guys, sorry. I was really interrupted by the TikTok timer. But, okay, I was talking about the jelly primer. So this is going to be, I would say, definitely a dupe for Milk. The Milk one. I have never tried the Milk one, I'll be honest with you. So I don't know how that one performs. But this one, for the price, when you apply it, like I said before, is reminds me a little bit like a hair gel. So it's going to be a little bit sticky. But it does have a cooling sensation. So once you apply it, you definitely want to like pat it in and let it sit a little couple seconds, and then apply your foundation. And the one I paired it with was obviously the e.l.f., which is this one. And honestly, it did a really good job. I am surprised. I am amazed. Like, e.l.f., you're stepping up to your game. So good job for you. I'm not gonna lie, this is really good. So would this be a go? Definitely be a go. Definitely be a go. And definitely be a go. So far so good. e.l.f. is doing good. Can't believe it, but there you go. All right, this is Alazaesbeauty approved.